Hi guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. So today I thought we'd do an eyeshadow tutorial on the Too Faced Natural Matte eyeshadow palette. First of all, is this stunning or what? Oh my god, I just think it's so gorgeous and it has a little tiny heart right here, which I think is so pretty. Anyway, so I thought that would be fun. This is an it's a very natural palette, everyday kind of palette. Love it. I thought we'd do a look today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The Natural Matte Palette by Too Faced. And first of all, let me just talk about the packaging, how incredibly gorgeous this is. I love how it has a little heart right here. That's so sweet. The first thing you'll notice when you open this palette is the smell. Oh my god, it smells so good. These are the colors. I love that the base colors are bigger because these ones you'll use more, so I really like that. So these are the colors. So I think we're going to, I don't know, let's just play with it. How's that? So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. The only thing I have on is I do have foundation, a little bit of bronzer, and my Maxi Lip to plump my lips. I'm going to go in with Lace Teddy, which is this color right here, and with just a flat brush, and I'm just gonna put a base all over my eyelids. Oh, I do have my eyebrows done. Let's go ahead and go into All Natural, just right here. And this is a Y17 brush, and we're just going to do it up on the brow bone as a transition. This will be a nice, natural, everyday look, which is kind of what I go for. I was about to put on the other eye. I forgot we're doing one eye at a time. Let's go in with Hookup, which is this little dark color here. And we're gonna go just below, just under that transition color. That's where we're gonna put it. And the thing I like about this palette is the colors blend beautifully, and it's just a perfect palette for just an everyday beautiful look. I'm going to go in with Less is More, just this color right here. This one is a flat brush, but it has a little pointed end on it. This is by Luxie 239 Precision Shader, and I'm just going to go right on the, realize how far I am. You guys can't see. How about this nice chocolatey brown here, which is called Risky Biz. And that one I'm just going to make a little V and just darken that corner. And just blend. Honestly, you don't need to blend much with these colors. They're just so gorgeous. Lace Teddy, which is what we started with. And just put a little more right there. All the way into the corner. That All Natural transition color. And kind of just blend those in a little and bring it down. And up. All right, one eye done. I will be back. I'm going to do the other eye, put my eye makeup on, and I will return. All right, so let's go ahead and finish these eyes now that we have the mascara on and the eyeliner. So I'm gonna go into Sexpert. It's funny. And I'm just going to go just a quarter way. Meeting the bottom up with the top. Then I'm gonna take Al Naturel, little fluffy brush, and then I'm just gonna go right over that and kind of smoke it out and blend it up into the top. Tiny brush and go into the nude goals right here. There's a lot of powder on that one. And hit the brow bone. And hit the inner corner. There you have it, guys. The eye look. So what do you guys think of the eyeshadow look? I love these colors. Of course, I love the nudes, the natural colors. I think they're really pretty. And this palette is gorgeous. And I think it's beautifully packaged. And it's great because you could take just this one palette and have everything that you need in here to create some natural nice looks. And even if you wanted to spice it up a little bit, you could just darken. There's a couple darker colors in here that you could certainly use if you were like wanted to you know, have it a little more dramatic. So always, guys, if you're subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. And if you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you don't want to miss out on any videos, be sure to hit that notification bell. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.